Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how much time does a Payoneer takes for incoming money transfer. The process time for incoming money transfer on Payoneer can vary depending upon the method used. If you use local bank transfer, you will receive funds in 1 to 3 days. And if you use Swift transfer, it can take 1 to 7 business days. However, that's not the whole story. Once Payoneer receives the fund, it may take additional time for them to show up in your account, depending upon your chosen withdrawal method. Transferring to bank account can take 2 to 5 business days. This is how much time that Payoneer takes for incoming money transfer. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.